students, welcome to my channel Learn, Grow and Rise. In today's session, we'll discuss one important topic of class 9th chemistry, that is chemical reaction. And in chemical reaction, we'll discuss introduction, how does the chemical reaction take place, evidences of the chemical reaction, and one important question just to give some exercise to your brain in Brain Teacher, and few more questions in our exam decode section just to do excel in your exam. So let's start. What is a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a process in which the physical and chemical properties of original substance changes as a new substance with different physical and chemical properties. So, chemical reaction is a process in which original substance changes to new substance, and the properties of the original substance changes, and you will get a new substance with different properties, physical and chemical. For example, ripening of fruits, rusting of iron, burning of coal, curdling of milk. During the ripening of the fruits, we can see the color and the texture of the fruit changes. During the rusting of the iron, we can see a brown color coating of rust can found on the iron. During the burning of the coal, we can see the coal turns into carbon dioxide gas, ash and steam. And curdling of milk, the texture of the milk change. You can see a semi-solid kind of things known as a curd, and also you can see there is a taste of the milk, means sweetness to the sourness take place. So in each cases we are getting a new substance with completely different properties and completely different both the physical and chemical properties. So the original substance present in the chemical reaction is known as a reactant. The reactants of the above examples we have taken is the unripe fruit, iron, coal and milk, and the new substance formed after the chemical reaction is known as the product. The ripe fruit, rusted iron, carbon dioxide, ash, water vapor and curd from the milk is a product in each above reaction. Now, chemical reaction is a process in which chemical change takes place. Chemical change leads to the chemical reaction, or chemical changes is due to the chemical reaction. What is chemical change? Chemical changes are the changes which are permanent and irreversible in nature, and it leads to a formation of a new product. So, the chemical reaction represented by chemical equation, and as we know that chemical equation follows the law of conservation of mass, so that chemical reaction also follows the law of conservation of mass. Now, how does the chemical reaction take place? Chemical reaction takes place either by breaking the chemical bonds, or making the chemical bonds, or by the rearrangement of the atoms. For example, during the formation of the water molecule, you can see two hydrogen molecule reacts with the one oxygen molecule to form the water molecule. The two hydrogen molecule, how the hydrogen molecule form? Hydrogen molecule form when the hydrogen atom that bonded with a chemical bond. What is a chemical bond? Chemical bond is a force of attraction present between two hydrogen atoms, and the oxygen molecule also consists of two oxygen atoms which is attracted by the force of attraction known as the chemical bond. So during the chemical reaction, the bond present between the hydrogen atom and the bond present between the oxygen atom that breaks, and now a new bond is formed between the hydrogen and the oxygen molecule to form the water molecule. But there is no involvement of a nuclei of an atom during the chemical reaction. and sometime during the chemical reaction, breaking up the chemical bonds take place, making up the chemical bonds take place, and sometime the rearrangement of atoms also take place. The atoms rearrange themselves to form a new substance. So now, why there is no change in the nuclei of an atom during the chemical reaction? Just think little bit, and the answer of this brain teaser question I will give you at last. So please keep watch the video just till the end. Now, what are the evidences of chemical reaction take place? The evidences of the chemical reactions are change in the state, change in color, evolution of gas, formation of the precipitate, change in odors, change in heat or temperature, change in sound. Chemical reaction take place either it associated with the change in state, whether it is associated with your color, or it is associated with the evolution of gas, or it associated with the formation of the precipitate, or it associates with the change in the odor, or it associates with the change in the heat or temperature, or it associated with the change in the sound, or sometime 2 to 3 changes also take place together. Means sometime chemical reaction associated with the change in state, change in color, change in gas together. So now let's discuss one by one by taking few examples. One is a change in state. In the change in state, one example is you have seen the burning of candle. When candle burns, it is a chemical change because it is a permanent and irreversible change. So when the candle burns, the fuel, it combines with the oxygen from the atmosphere and it turns to the carbon dioxide and the steam. The fuel present in the wax is in the form of the solid, and the oxygen present in the atmosphere is in the form of the gas, and the result you will get, or the product you will get, carbon dioxide, that is also in the gaseous form, and the steam also you will get, that is in the gaseous form. So the product for the solid and the gaseous reactant combine together to give gaseous reactant only. So this is a chemical reaction which is associated with the change in the state. Another example we can see, that is the ammonia. When ammonia gas it reacts with the hydrochloric acid gas, you will get the ammonium chloride solid. So these are the examples where the chemical reaction accompanied with the change in the state. Now the chemical reaction takes place with change in the color. When you have seen the ripening of the fruit, there is a change in the color. Ripening of the banana, you can see here the green color turns gradually to the black color. Burning of the paper. Burning of the paper takes place when the paper it burns. You can see, you will get the ash, and the color of the ash is black. So white color turns to the black color. You can see another example where copper carbonate turns into copper oxide. The color of the copper carbonate is your greenish color, and it turns into the copper oxide whose color is a black in color. Now, the chemical reaction that is take place with the evolution of the gas. The evolution of the gas, the vinegar when react with the baking soda, you will get the salt plus carbon dioxide gas and the water. And the carbon dioxide gas release here, you can see the bubble forms or bubbles comes out. When the gas comes in a liquid substance or liquid reactant, you can see the bubbles. By seeing the bubble, you can predict that gas is releasing. Sodium metal, when you put it into the hydrochloric acid, you will see the bubbles are coming out, and this is because of the evolution of the hydrogen gas. Gasoline being burned in by the car and release the carbon dioxide, and you can see the gas in the form of your smoke. The oxygen is being released from the plant as a result of the photosynthesis. A baked cake smells different than its batter. Popping popcorn produces a new smell due to the formation of production of the gas. Baking soda and vinegar produce a bubbles from the release of carbon dioxide. That's why you can see the bubbles. Insoluble solid form after the chemical reaction when two or more reactants react is known as the precipitate. For example, when silver nitrate take place, during the silver nitrate take place react with the sodium chloride, you will get silver chloride plus sodium nitrate, and the silver chloride forms a cuddy white precipitate. The silver chloride form a cuddy white precipitate. Cuddy white precipitate. The copper sulfate react with the sodium hydroxide, and you will see your bluish white precipitate. This is the color is a bluish white precipitate is formed. Now there is a chemical reaction take place, change in the order, the rotten egg, and when the food spoil or the bread spoil, you can see there is a very spoiling of the food item. You can see that smells very bad. Now the change in the temperature. At any time heat is produced during the chemical reaction comes from within the reaction, not from the environment. The chemical reaction also takes place by a release of the heat or your gain of the heat. For example, pouring the water into the acid, you can see there is an increase in temperature, and increase in temperature indicates that the heat is releasing. Burning an object, it produces the heat. Lighting a match, you can see there is a heat production. Acid breaking down food in your stomach produces also heat. Instant ice packs get cold when mixed. A battery gets warm after using it. So these are the reaction where the heat either absorbed or heat either released. So keeping in mind that release of the heat or gain of the heat, you can see that chemical reaction take place divided into or classified into two types. One is an endothermic reaction, another is an exothermic reaction. In the endothermic reaction, like your cooking food, instant ice pack, burning of substance, adding of the water in acid is coming under the exothermic. The endothermic reaction means the reaction or the system, it absorbs the heat energy from the surroundings, and in exothermic reaction the heat energy is released. Now let us see the difference between the exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. In the exothermic reaction, you can see the heat energy is released during the reaction to the surrounding, and in endothermic reaction the heat energy is absorbed. You just remember the trick to remember it. Exo means exit. When heat exit, the meaning of the exo means exit. Heat exit, it is exothermic. The meaning of the endo means entry. Entry means entry of the heat, means absorb of the heat. The energy release the surrounding, the release of the energy to the surrounding and absorb from the surrounding. Now the heat change, it may be negative or may be positive. Energy of reactants are more than the product, energy of products are more than the reactants. Stability, mostly the products are formed stable and products are less stable. Change in the sound, the release of hydrogen gas causes the pop sound. Release of carbon dioxide gas forms the Briggs effervescence. You can see when you open the champagne bottle, you can open your soft drinks bottle or cold drinks bottle, you can see a hissing sound, and this is due to the release of your carbon dioxide gas. And change in the sound, or that is also when we are burning the firecracker, we can listen the sound due to the chemical reaction take place. Now this is the time to give the answer for your brain teaser question. Why there is no change in the chemical, no change the nuclei of the atoms during the chemical reaction? Because during the chemical reaction, the bond, either there is a chemical reaction take place either by making the bond, or breaking the bond. And bond formation only bond. And bond formation involves only the valence electron. Only the valence electron. And this is the reason, not the nuclei. And this is the reason why the nucleus are not involved during the chemical reaction. Now it is a time to do some exercises just to practice the concept more. Reaction associated with the change in the order, that is the spoiling of the food item. Reaction associated with the change in the state, that is the melting of your wax. Reaction associated with the formation of the precipitate, when silver nitrate react with the sodium chloride, you will get the silver chloride of white curdy precipitate. Reaction associated with the absorption of the heat. Melting of ice is a reaction where the heat absorption takes place. Cooking of your food also example of the reaction where the reaction takes place with the absorption of the energy. Hope all of you enjoyed this session. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Please hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.